welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging with Tanisha. And I'm just gonna vlog our day of shopping.
We're shopping today, spending some money.
Guys, we found the same hat. Yep, perfect. Guess how much this dress is, guys. It's on sale though, so that's good. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Can you afford that, Tanisha?
It's not my style.
It's literally attached to it. We just got to Scatterbush, having some nice water. There's Tanisha.
I ordered the tomato soup
Uh-huh.
pizza.
Hey, everyone's ordered. Let's see what you remember.
Dylan ordered the artichoke and spinach dip and the butcher.
Yeah.
We ordered some pasta.
Yeah, technically, yeah.
I don't remember what it's called.
Do you remember what I got for my app?
Mozzarella.
Yeah. Would you like some wine, Tanisha?
Not today.
We just got our food.
Tomato soup.
Mozzarella and spinach and artichoke dip. We devoured everything.
Tomato soup is really good. I'd recommend it.
And so was the mozzarella. And spinach dip?
Yep.
We just got our main courses. I cannot remember what the name of my pasta is for the life of me. It's something spicy.
I got pizza.
Yeah.
It's called Sophia. There's chicken, peppers, lots of cheese.
I got food too.
Dylan got a very meaty pizza using some pizza scissors. Do you like the pizza scissors, Tanisha?
It's really interesting. I've never used one before.
Is that your way of saying no? I had to top out. I couldn't eat anymore, and it looks like I ate nothing. Tanisha's eating with a fork. And Dylan's powering through. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's Hillary, avoiding the camera as usual. We're in Toronto today. Only in Distillery District.
You're gonna have some drinks, okay?
Do you want a drink already?
Actually.
We just came to Tebow. Hillary is against bread because she hates carbs.
You guys insane.
Just got dinner. What?
I think I got a few weird looks.
Oh, for your you are. We're not supposed to have phones out there on the rink, so I can't film myself skating. But I'm going back out there. Kenya, you fixing your skates?
You okay?
Kenya's taking a break with me because we're both dying.
You guys want a drink or something?
Julia, how's it going? Good?
I did it by myself.
That's good. I saw you. There goes mommy.
You just fell.
What's she doing? Yeah.
Oh, there's Dylan. And Kenya.
No, I need to go my babies. Where's Kenya?
Okay, yes, I'm coming. We're all done roller skating. All done? Some people haven't gotten the message that we're done roller skating.